the most important minerals for the ketogenic diet. The keto diet has become quite popular, and yet even though it has been around for quite some time, people are still trying to find ways to make it work as best as possible for them. The keto diet restricts you from certain foods, and in return, it restricts you from much-needed nutrients. It's a good option to find supplements that can give you your daily nutrient dose. The benefit of taking these supplements is that it will help you overcome the dreaded keto flu. Below are recommended supplements to take while on the keto diet. 1. Magnesium. Magnesium supports your immune system, gives you a boost of energy and helps regulate your blood sugar levels. Eating processed food could cause you to have a magnesium deficiency. It's recommended that you take around 400 milligrams of magnesium each due to restricting yourself from foods that are rich in magnesium due to them containing so many carbs. Magnesium reduces difficulty sleeping and muscle cramps. You can find magnesium in keto-friendly foods such as spinach, avocado, pumpkin, and mackerel. 2. Omega-3. Omega-3 has been linked to many health properties such as lowering the risk of heart disease and inflammation. While most diets are high in omega-6, most don't realize the importance of omega-3. Omega-3 helps you regulate a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 when you're on a high-fat diet, and it can help you maximize the benefits of being in ketosis. You can find omega-3 in keto-friendly foods such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines. 3. Exogenous ketones. Not everyone will burn the same amount of fat as each other, or one person may be slower at burning fat than the other. This will be down to a low amount of ketones your body is producing, and exogenous ketones are perfect to give you the boost you need. Exogenous ketones are a supplement which is directly sent to the cells for energy, whereas the body would burn fats, transport nutrients to the liver and turn them into ketones. Exogenous ketones are like an instant hit, and they can be found in a variety of products such as salts, oils, and raw ketone esters and can be used. 4. MCT oil. It's a type of fat that can give the body energy almost immediately. It creates ketones quickly and puts you in ketosis very quickly. It helps by keeping you in the metabolic state of burning fat without you worrying if you are going to fall out of ketosis. You can find MCT oil in butter, yogurt, cheese, coconut oil, but the majority of people use MCT oil and have it with their coffee, which is also known as bulletproof coffee. 5. Vitamin D. When you're in ketosis and lack vitamin D, you can suffer weakness, muscle breakdown, weak bone density. If you live a sunny place, then exposure to the sun will give you all the vitamin D you need. The safer option would be to eat fatty fish or 400 IU tablets per day. The ketogenic diet can provide everything you need to fill in your nutritional voids. However, we are human and can't stay on track all the time. The supplements above will help you with staying in ketosis without losing the nutrients your body needs. What other supplements did you add to your keto diet? Share it in the comment section below. See you on our next video. Kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to notified of our new videos.